Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. How are you guys? So here I on behalf of Mustang video, best wish and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video how to adding a table in Microsoft Word part 1 Mustang video. I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I'd like to say to that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and circle, and you will get motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friends, I will explain the you can insert table, adding table in Microsoft Word, insert table and Microsoft and document to display data in tabular format. Okay, a table is a great way of response and multiple and fields of associate data. Okay, associate data table. Then for example, a list of price of easier read and when display in number. In Word and place the mouse and cursor when you want to add the table. Click and insert tab in the ribbon. Okay, ribbon, then insert table. How can you mean and table, and automatically then the cursor automatically table and amount. Then this is the fixed. Then you automatically your individual table insert and insert table, then in number, then 50, then 30, then this is the okay. Then automatically you can change and automatically you can and update, or you can and only you can choice. Okay, this is the table adding. Okay, and click the insert and click the table button and select how many cells and row and column, then insert and draw table in table and others table, and then you can also click insert table and enter the number or column. Then for the insert table, this is the your case, and this is the your adding the table in Microsoft Word. Okay, so friend, no more today. Those who are still subscribe my channel, please subscribe very quickly and play the bell icon button and to stay and this kinds of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.